Hi, my name is Patricia Holmes, and I am your online instructor for CIS 098 Photoshop. Welcome. This is a brief orientation about the class, where to find things, and hopefully I answer some frequently asked questions by students. So let's get going here. Once you log into Canvas, which is up here at the browser, deanza.instructor.com, you'll see your class. And this all is available to you the first day. You really can't access it before the first day. And so there is the syllabus that answers a lot of frequently asked questions. There are assignment links. There's some start files. And any kind of a grade at work, you can see your grades here. And then here on the page, you'll notice an inbox for email. This is where you can contact me by clicking this inbox and send me an email. I reply very promptly to students Monday through Friday. I reply to your email within 24 hours or less. Okay, so let me just tell you a few nuts and bolts about the class. Let's take a look at the syllabus super quickly. The syllabus, again, there's a link. You can find this. Class is 100% online. We do not have any mandatory Zoom meetings or mandatory blogging discussions or anything like that. Each week you have some assignments, and each week you turn in the assignment. It's very straightforward. The book is optional, and if you choose to get the book, this is the ISBN number, and this is what the book looks like. Again, the book is optional. Why is it optional? Because I have created some video tutorials for you. Oops, I just accidentally logged out of the class. I have created some video tutorials for you I would like to show you right now. So let's take a look at Chapter 1, for example. Chapter 1 has some instruction. I write a few notes here. Chapter 1 is a short yet educational video introducing you to Photoshop. Open the start file, which I provided for you. The start files can be found in the file link. And then this video is a tutorial, and I walk you through all the steps you need to do to the start file to finish it. And then when you're done, you simply hit the Submit Assignment button here at the top right. It's that simple. So if some students do not like video tutorials, some students like to read a book and do the steps, that's where you're going to want to buy the book. But I try my best to save students money. And so I understand you guys have, family. Many of you have children. Many of you are working, and classes are expensive and things like this. So I try my best to save you guys money by doing something like this, creating the video tutorials. So let's go ahead and go to the file. I want to show you where you can find your start files. So for example, Chapter 1, click on Chapter 1. I provided the start file for you, and I provided the end file. This is what your final product should look like. So my point is that I really, really try to teach the class the way I want to be taught if I was a student in here, and that is direct, straightforward, no surprises, and that's what I do here. Every week there is an assignment due, and you can turn it in early. If you have any questions about your assignment, you can email me. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. The book, again, is optional. You do need the software. The software is being provided for us by Deanza in case you need it. Some students will go ahead and rent it, or they already have it. Some students will rent it because they know that their job or some big personal project they want to do in their life requires the software. But access to Photoshop is going to be provided through Deanza this quarter. So, okay, guys, that concludes my orientation video. And by the way, about the software. It's going to take a couple days for me to give you the instructions on how to access it, but I do want you to know about it, and so stay tuned for that. That concludes my orientation video. Thank you so much for listening.